Hey guys, we'll do another YouTube video.
They should have a YouTube channel.
Garrett, shut up. I'm doing a YouTube video. Hey guys, we're gonna do another YouTube video. And we got Garrett actually here. Let me show. Yeah, he's on this thing called Uvu. You can he's right there. We're gonna be drawing a pocket knife. I got mine right here. So, yeah. And I might put on some music. Me or Garrett might turn on some music. So, yay!
I can put on music.
No, don't do it yet.
Tell me when to turn it on.
Down, 2, 3,
Want me to put on some montage music? Do you? Montage?
Okay guys, so you want to get your pencil ready, you can turn it on now. Turn it on 17th and do Trap Queen.
I was going to put on some montage, but...
So yeah guys, we're going to start out, you need a pencil.
1738?
Yeah. So we're going to start out with a pencil, or if you have a black marker, which I'm about to pull out, which is the best to use. Production. Boys, yeah. I'm like a pillow, there's a video, in the door. I just want to, but I suck for slow. And I'm a distance to a stove. Okay, so guys, you wanna start in the middle. You wanna make a line, and you wanna we just can't follow. If there's still money, I ain't never let go. Oh, with my baby, I'm getting flower. You might want to use a ruler, guys. Just a little advice. Chicken cooking paws on the oh, baby. I really want to get flower, baby, yeah, oh, baby. I be in the kitchen cooking paws on some clean. Sorry. So I'm going to do at least this much. Oh, baby. I'm going to get fall, baby. Oh, baby. Some cooking balls, baby. Yeah. I'll get raw, baby. I'll be in the morning getting flour, baby. Yeah. But you're wrong, baby. I'll be in the kitchen cooking. So we want to draw this part. It's pretty easy. You use your ruler, you make 2 straight lines. You want to make a curve right there. You want to make a, he's pretty much an example of our knife. So yeah, guys, that's how to my Josh, and yeah, guys, in the YouTube video.